Yo, what's going on? Welcome to the review of the Puma GV Special. So let's just get right into this shoe. Have recently been playing a lot of tennis with my fiance, and little did I know that this was actually a tennis shoe. So back in the late 1970s, Argentinian tennis player Guillermo Vilas went on a title-winning rampage. And he actually partnered up with Puma to design his own line of tennis shoes that are going to lead him to victory, you know what I'm saying? And there's so many different colorways, and I've actually got a few pair of these. My first pair was actually back in 2018, and I didn't necessarily play tennis at all. I'm still trash, but you know, I'm learning. And having a great pair of tennis shoes is honestly essential. But the sneaker doesn't just stay there. It's actually a lifestyle shoe. I mean, I personally love the all white colorway. I think that looks the cleanest, but there are tons of other colors that you can choose from, and I kind of want to just do this review for anybody out there who personally wanted to pick up a pair. Now, first and foremost, when putting these on, they are super clean. I mean, I feel like you can't ever go wrong with an all white shoe. You have this beautiful tumble leather throughout the entire sneaker. You have three simple branding hints of Puma. Number one being on the midsole, you guys can see that Puma almost embossed on the side. Then we have that call out in gold and the signature cat logo on the back of the sneaker, which honestly looks great. Now, one thing I've noticed about kind of the classic style that a lot of sneaker brands have done, you guys can see the UK size 11 right on the bottom of the sole, but this is actually a size 12 in US. Now, the sneaker actually isn't just a tennis shoe, it is lifestyle. And that's kind of what I love about Puma and what they've done so far. You know, a lot of their sneakers, not only for sports, but also lifestyle. You can wear these on court, you can wear them off court. It's gonna look great either way. One thing I wanna give you guys as far as sizing about these is they are a bit narrow. So if you have an extremely wide foot, I'd say you could potentially go up half a size, but I mean, I did go true to size and my foot isn't anything crazy, but that's really only my biggest complaint when it comes to these, and retail is $70. I feel like these days you can't really get too many great sneakers that are gonna hold you down for that price point. So I'll give you guys a quick little on foot and you can see what they look like on. Again, like I said, the white pair is hands down my favorite. There's also a red pair that I got way back when, which was fire too. I really love that one. If you guys want to see a full performance review of me trying these out on court, let me know down below in the comments. But this is your boy Sneaker Life. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions, drop them down below. Catch you in the next one. Run it.
Run it. Run it.